I can remember the day that I decided to become a teacher. I was a junior in high school and I was in my history class and it was awful, absolutely awful. And it was so boring and I hated it. And I just remember feeling like I have to be here. If I have to be here and my teacher chose to be here, why can't he meet me halfway? And I just decided right then and there, said, you know what? I'm going to be a teacher and I'm going to make it so that people enjoy learning.
I love that.
And here I am. Definitely patience. Teachers absolutely need to have patience. And I think optimism. I think there's so many things that could go wrong in a day and just being able to handle those. But then I call it the 3 F's. Being firm, being fair, really important, but being fun. Really, really important. I'm really big on a growth mindset and that mistakes are okay and that we can learn from each other's mistakes. And I think that what they learn is how to overcome and not give up and really realize what their potential is and strive to meet it. Advice that I would give is to do it. It is a wonderful profession, but you have to have the right heart and you have to understand all the parameters that come around with it. It's not easy, definitely not easy, but it's so worth it to be able to motivate kids and make a difference in somebody's life, and just understand that it's a constantly changing profession. And that's actually why I like it. I never feel like I'm on a hamster wheel. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. You know, I love what I do. I love where I work. And, you know, I've been at 2 different schools and I've just had the privilege of working with such amazing people who all have the heart and mind to help kids. Every day I feel like my life is enriched because of people that I surround myself with.